On a crisp winter morning, the town awoke to a world transformed by snow. Blankets of white-covered rooftops and trees, and the streets lay hidden beneath a thick, sparkling layer. The air was hushed, muffled by the snow's gentle embrace, but not all was peaceful. Trouble was brewing for those who needed to travel. The roads were slippery, and cars sat idle, their tires spinning helplessly. Bus drivers peered out of frosted windows, hoping for a solution as the school bus sat stuck, unable to move forward. Children pressed their faces to the glass, wide-eyed and uncertain, wondering how they could reach their school on such a snowy day. Outside, the world shimmered with icy wonder. But for the townsfolk, the snow posed a challenge. Parents bundled up little ones in thick coats and woolen hats, watching anxiously as the morning passed. The streets, usually humming with bus engines and car horns, were silent, except for the occasional honk and frustrated vroom as drivers attempted, unsuccessfully, to free their vehicles from the frozen grip of winter. Suddenly, a cheerful sound broke through the quiet. A loud and friendly honk echoed down the street, followed by the rumble of sturdy wheels. Snowplow. Sammy rolled into view, his bright orange paint gleaming, his wide plow gleaming at the front, ready to tackle the snowy mess. Sammy's engine purred with confidence, and his smile spread from fender to fender. Right behind him, dump truck Danny trundled along, his big bed empty and ready to carry away piles of snow. He was strong and steady, always reliable in times of need. Next came rescue truck Ruby, her red lights flashing like beacons in the winter gloom. Ruby was always prepared to help, her siren gentle but firm, guiding others and watching for anyone who might need a helping hand. Bulldozer Ben rumbled close behind, his powerful blade angled to push the heaviest, iciest piles out of the way. Ben was the muscle of the crew, determined and fearless, never backing down from a tough job. Together, these brave trucks arrived at the heart of the town, greeted by the grateful smiles of children and the worried looks of parents. Sammy took the lead, lowering his plow and moving forward, scraping away layers of snow to reveal the road beneath. His steady progress made a wide, clear path for others to follow. Danny drove alongside, gathering the piles Sammy created, filling his bed until he was ready to haul them away to safer places. Ben maneuvered with precision, pushing the largest, most stubborn chunks of ice and snow out of the way, clearing intersections and driveways with ease. Ruby circled around, her lights shining in the swirling flakes, making sure everyone stayed safe. She watched for stuck cars and slipping pedestrians, offering help wherever it was needed. Her presence reassured everyone, letting them know that help was always nearby. The children watched in amazement as the trucks worked together. Their teamwork was inspiring, each vehicle doing its part, communicating and supporting one another. Sammy cleared the way, Danny carried the snow, Ben pushed the heavy piles, and Ruby kept watch. The streets that had been silent and still were now busy again, filled with the sounds of engines, laughter, and progress. Gradually, the snow receded, replaced by clean, safe roads. The school bus, once trapped in a snowy drift, rocked back and forth and finally started moving. The driver waved out the window, grateful for the help. Children cheered from inside, their faces bright with excitement. Cars that had been stuck for hours finally inched forward, their drivers smiling and waving in thanks. The trucks didn't stop until every street was clear, every parking lot safe, and every driveway accessible. Their hard work paid off. Soon, the entire town was freed from the snow's grip. The children boarded the school bus eagerly, chatting about the amazing trucks that had come to their rescue. Cars moved smoothly, and parents sighed with relief, knowing their families were safe. As the last snow pile was hauled away, the town erupted in cheers. The trucks gathered together, proud of their teamwork and happy to have helped. Their engines hummed a joyful tune, and the children, grateful and inspired, joined in a song to celebrate the snowy day and the heroes who made it safe. Clear the snow, push it fast. Make the road safe at last. Together we can always win. Let the snowy day begin. The song echoed through the streets, a tribute to the power of working together. Sammy honked his horn in time with the music. Danny rumbled a low bass. Ben's blade scraped a rhythmic beat, and Ruby's lights flashed in time, turning the gray winter morning into a celebration. As the trucks prepared to leave, the children waved from the windows, their smiles wide and their hearts full. The town felt warmer, despite the chill in the air, because neighbors had come together and everyone had played their part. The trucks honked happily, knowing they had made a difference, and the townspeople watched them go, grateful for their hard-working friends. Winter would bring more snow, but the town knew it could face any challenge with teamwork and determination. The lesson of the day was clear. When everyone works together, even the toughest problems become manageable. Sammy, Danny, Ruby, and Ben drove off, ready to help again whenever they were needed, their spirits high and their engines strong. And so, the snowy morning ended with laughter, music, and hope. The roads were clear, the town safe, and the children on their way to school, dreaming of the next adventure. The trucks became heroes in the eyes of all, not just for their strength and power, but for their kindness, courage, and the magic of working together. The snowy road, once a challenge, became a symbol of friendship and community, thanks to the cheerful teamwork of Sammy, Danny, Ruby, and Ben.